Here we are at Lolham level crossing in Cambridgeshire with AB trains. Okay, this is starting to become a game of go up, go down in the space of about 10 to 15 seconds. Maybe even 20. Time now is 16:28 on Friday the 8th of September 2023, and this is for your 16:30 1 Alpha 37 London North Eastern Railway Station Leeds London King's Cross. Here she is. I can just see her headlights through the branches. You might not be able to, but I certainly can. Here we go. Right, we've got there. 801229 to London King's Cross, and up they go. Can't even get me words out. Oh well. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.